In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the WordPress media and text block. This block places an image or video side by side with text, making it perfect for featured sections, product highlights, or story-driven layouts. I'll guide you from opening the editor all the way to saving and launching your changes. First, open your site's editor and load the home template. This takes you into the visual canvas where you can make global page changes. Click the area where you want your new section to appear. When the inserter appears, use it to add the media and text block. You'll see two panels, one for media on one side and one for text on the other. Click into the text area and start typing your copy. If you prefer lightweight formatting, switch the text mode to Markdown. That lets you use simple symbols for headings, lists, and emphasis while keeping your content clean and consistent. Now move over to the Media panel. Click Media to add your image or video. If you need to review or edit file information, open the Details panel. This is a great place to ensure your alt text is descriptive and accurate, which improves accessibility and search visibility. When you're ready to choose a file, open the Media library. From here, browse or search for the asset you want. You can click through the highlighted filters or folders if you've organized your library, then select the thumbnail that best fits your layout. If you're deciding between a few options, preview them to check clarity and crop. When you've made your choice, click Select to insert it into the block. With your media placed, use the on-canvas controls to refine the layout. You can swap the media and text sides, adjust how content aligns vertically, and fine-tune spacing for comfortable readability. Keep an eye on the mobile preview. Stacking the media on top of the text often works best on smaller screens. If the image feels heavy, consider a slightly smaller file size or a different crop, so the text remains the star. Before wrapping up, give the section a quick pass for consistency. Confirm headings match your site's style, links in the text point where they should, and the media alt text clearly describes the visual. When everything looks right, click Save. WordPress will confirm the changes to your template. Finally, click Launch to push your updates live. That's it. You've added a polished media and text block and set it up for clarity, performance, and